Cons Maths 5 Plus, page 55. Dear students, today we learn about subtraction of 0. As you know, if we subtract 0 from any sum, the amount or number remains the same. Look at these pictures and subtract 0 from the given sums. If we subtract 0 from 4 hens, it will remain 4 hens. If we subtract 0 from 5 birds, it will remain 5 birds. If we subtract 0 from 6 balloons, it will remain 6 balloons. If we subtract 0 from 7 fountain pens, it will remain 7 fountain pens. Respectable teachers and parents explain to the children the concept of 0 through examples from their immediate surroundings. Tell them that 0 means nothing but it is a digit and it is very important too. Tell them about subtraction of 0, that the amount or sum remains the same if they subtract 0 from any amount. Guide them to count on fingertips and write different sums on their notebooks and subtract 0 from the given amounts. Encourage the children's efforts involved in understanding the concept of subtraction of 0. Thank you.